What's up, you fucking saber-toothed goldfish from the Indiana Bay? It's your boy, Tropical Twinkie, bringing you another vlog, video log. Alright, today's topic, nature. Goldfish. Nature. Alright, before I get started, add me on Xbox One. Add me on 360. Dropshot V. It'll be in the fucking description, bitch. Alright, so, let's see. Today we talk about nature. Nature. The world. Beauty. 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 Outside. Nature. Oh, by the way, I'm making this video because my router's resetting because my internet's shit. So yeah, nature. You go outside. Go to the park. Nature. See that grass? Nature. Yep. That was there before you were a piece of shit. Yep. Nature. The one place you can be in the world. But it's like everywhere. Alright. My sister just texted me if I want to go with her to Walmart. Do I? I fucking do, because she'll buy me candy. Okay. But, nature. Dinosaurs. Extinct. But guess what? Nature. Yep. Yep, nature. These goldfish, they're like imitating nature, but yep. It's enough about nature. Why the fuck are people still playing War Z practice servers? And War Z? Get a fucking... Get CSGO. Get an Xbox. Get something. War Z? That was me in 6th grade. I was the shit. I was the best player on the server. No knockback, fast place. That was me. Fuck you. I'm legit. I don't hack. All I use is no knockback and fast place. That's not hacking. I might come back. If they allow fast place and no knockback. I still don't have a better computer. I would upload gameplay. But I don't have a software recorder. I'm 5th prestige. Level 35. That's super high. 2.8 KD. 4 nuclears. Rank 6 in arena mode. I can go pro. But that's not gonna happen. Because I don't have fucking internet like a fucking faster than the fucking metro system in China. I just don't. But yeah. I haven't updated in a while, or uploaded in a while, so I thought, why not make a video for you guys? I'll see you fucking later.